welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my kitchen. Actually, you've never been here before, but welcome to my kitchen. It's nothing fancy, but it's about to go down in here. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel so you can see all of my videos. This is my first time ever making a real cooking video. I always pretended to do it when I was young, and I still do it as a grown woman in my kitchen.
So good and tasty.
So today we are going to make chicken teriyaki pineapple bowls. Now I'm really annoyed because this was the biggest pineapple I can find in Publix. If you can find a bigger one than this, go for it. The prep time is usually around 10 minutes. And then the cooking time is usually around 40. I'll try my best to kind of make it as easy to follow as possible. And then the recipe will be in the description below. Probably gonna be posted every Saturday now because I'm kind of getting the hang of everything. So yeah, get ready for that. More me, more friend time, you know? I need to calm down. I'm just really excited about this. So let's get cooking. So excited.